Welcome to Sri Sidbali Public School. The SSPS prepares students to understand, contribute to, and succeed in a rapidly changing society, thus making the world a better and more just place. We will ensure that our students develop both the skills that a sound education provides and the competencies essential for success and leadership in the emerging creative economy. We will also lead in generating practical and theoretical knowledge that enables people to better understand our world and improve conditions for local and global community. Our academy is a community of learners including students, parents and staff who are dedicated to creating an academically rigorous, culturally caring and inclusive learning environment. We are reaching excellence in academics and changing history. Together, we are champions of knowledge, our communities, the environment and of our futures. Our achievers are goal-oriented, critical thinkers and community leaders who are dedicated to achieving the highest level of integrity and academic success.
we